Despite several online rumours, I did in fact used to be a child. When I look back to my childhood, I remember being in school and looking up to my teachers and thinking that they were fully grown adults. But it's funny how those teachers then were considerably younger than I am now, but I still don't feel like an adult. So at what point should we start feeling like adults? When will I feel like I've become a man? I can't just sit around and wait to find out. I need to take action. So after looking into it, spending a lot of time reading on the internet, I found out what I think it is that I really need to do. So to sort this out, I needed to get myself to Sheffield. I embarked on a long drive and met up with my friend James, the manliest man that I know.
It's a beauty, that, isn't it?
She's
a beauty. I don't know. Who knows? Some nondescript, generic woman.
We headed into the Peak District to stay the night, so we'd be ready for when I needed to be in Sheffield the next day. After parking up the van, we needed sustenance for the monumental, life-changing event I had planned for tomorrow. And like that guy with a rat on his head, I got to work preparing the most masculine, meat-based meal. Flour, salt, butter, milk, mix and roll.
Is that a rolling pin? You bought a rolling pin? Ah, yeah, ideal. Yeah, that's the job, that.
I've never made. Does that look nice?
It's a primarily meat-based
I
dinner.
don't know what I just did that bit before. Oh, look at that!
Beauty. That's it, bit of saliva in there as well, beautiful.
Right. You gotta be sloppy, haven't you, when you do it?
Yeah. If it's not prepared by a man with incredibly hairy hands, I don't want to know. Win. Done. Cheers, mate.
Full of food, we got some sleep, ready for the big day ahead. We woke to the dawn chorus, and looking out, pondering, what really makes us men? Some men love coffee, and I mean really love coffee. But could coffee really be the secret to making you feel grown up?
It fits perfectly over the plastic cup. I just think it boils the death out of it because it has to get the steam through it. It's proper hot, and my kettle at home has got the digital. I reckon coffee's you're supposed to cook it at 90. I'll drink that.
Oh, deal. With time to spare in the morning, what could be more manly than climbing the highest hill on the horizon? So off we went, climbing higher and higher until we reached the top. Although, looking round... That one looks higher! It's flat. As if the earth was spinning, these would all fall over. See, these they're not that impressive really, are they? Yeah. This looks like the house from Up. It should be.
As with anything, mate, without the bitter, the sweet just ain't so sweet.
But once we got to the top of this peak, we yet again noticed that one looks higher. There was no more time to be messing around climbing mountains, so we headed off to Sheffield to make my appointment. I put on my lucky socks and we walked there in high anticipation. Hi, I'm here to buy my first pair of cowboy boots. Sheffield is known for two things: knives and forks, and Britain's only dedicated cowboy boot store. I was here to try on and buy my first pair of cowboy boots. Would these really be the ticket to making me feel like a man? There's a different pair of jeans, don't
Yeah, you need some.
Yeah, wicked. Yeah, I'll take these.
You want those ones?
Yeah. Donning my brand new boots, I prepared as another lovely meal. Even though I didn't have the right jeans on, I thought we needed to venture down to a local pub. So I asked one of the locals, "What do you think of my new boots?" You look like a tit. Ah, right. Not far from where we were was the Derwent Dam. This dam was used as a practice area for the World War II Operation Chastise, also known as the Dam Busters Raid. 19 Lancaster bombers were used to drop Barnes-Wallis's innovative bouncing bomb to destroy dams in an attempt to stop the German war effort. 133 airmen left that night, knowing the very low odds of their survival. 53 of them never returned. 85 of these airmen never survived the war, sacrificing themselves for their country. The average age of these airmen was in their very early 20s. Despite their very young age, these truly were real men. And if this is what it takes, I don't think that I will ever become a real man.